Let's go, chat. We gained, chat, ever since this tour started 4 streams ago, we have gained 700. We gained 750,000 subscribers, y'all. We gained 750,000 subscribers ever since this tour has started. This is beautiful, chat. W's in the damn stream, bro. That's really love right there. That is love. It's only been 46 minutes. Only been 46. That's crazy. So we waiting for the next train?
Yeah.
Okay.
Usually it's just like 3 minutes.
We waiting for the next subway. Hey, hey.
You've been to Tokyo, right?
Huh?
You've been to Tokyo, right?
Yep.
You see the signage? Any similarities?
What?
You see the signage or graphic design of all the graphics in here?
Yep.
All similarities?
I never been to Tokyo train though.
Okay.
Yeah. So
What I'm
loud.
saying is, this actually, this line was built by the Japanese railway company.
Really? So Japanese built this?
So the same kind of train.
Really? That's crazy. Chat, hopefully this subway we just like
Wait, come in. Speed.
Jung's way?
Wait, yeah, that's on way. Come in, I'm coming. Yeah.
That ain't Jung's way.
That's on way.
That ain't no damn Jung's way.
Let me.
That's not Jung's way.
That shit on about.
Everybody keep subbing up, bro. I'm not gonna lie, this is insane, bro. The amount of subs that we gained since the China tour has been crazy. It's been genuinely insane. This city is so dense, y'all. The reason why it's so many people, because it's so dense. There's like so many, like,